If you've ever found yourself clicking the exact same sequence of buttons, filling out the same fields, or, running the same complex financial report every single morning, you get it.
Oh, absolutely.
You understand that fundamental human desire for automation. We all want our machines to handle the rote tasks so we can focus on, more important work.
That's the core of it, really. When we talk about an automation app, we're talking about software designed specifically to absorb and execute those repetitive tasks.
And the scope is huge, right?
It's enormous.
Yeah.
It could be something as simple as automatically forwarding an email, or as complex as launching and tracking an entire sales campaign. And critically, these tools work everywhere. Your phone, your computer, across your whole professional software stack.
And today we're taking a deep dive into that entire spectrum for you. Our mission is sort of threefold. First, we'll map out the range of tools available, from the absolute simplest entry points to really sophisticated connectors.
We'll get technical.
Very technical. We'll move into professional mobile testing, and we're going to dissect the architecture of a tool like Appium. And finally, we'll tackle a crucial real-world problem: the significant legal risks you run when you try to use this power to automate a third-party app like Blinkist. Okay, let's unpack this, starting at the shallow end of the pool with the macro. For someone who's just curious, who wants to get started without learning Python or Java, what's the key difference between a macro and, actual programming?
It's all about the author. In traditional programming, you are manually writing every single line of instructions.
The coder.
You're the coder.
Yeah.
But with a macro, you, the user, just do the steps once. You click the buttons, you input the data, and the software automatically records those actions and turns them into a script. You get the code without writing it.
So the barrier to entry is extremely low. And the sources break down macros into two main categories, right? Based on how powerful they are.
Correct. The first is the application macro. This is recorded and executed entirely inside a single piece of software. The classic example is in Microsoft Excel.
Right, I've used those.
You might record a complex data formatting sequence. It often uses a language like VBA, Visual Basic for applications. It's powerful, but it's stuck inside Excel. It can't talk to anything else.
But the real power comes when you let the automation move beyond just one app.
That's the generic macro, or what we just call operating system level automation. This works at the OS level, meaning the task can span any number of applications you want.
So back to our financial analyst example.
Exactly. They wouldn't use a simple Excel macro. Generic one, go to the browser, log in, download a data file, save it, and then open it in the spreadsheet to do the work. All one automated sequence.
That immediately sounds much more useful. So if you're starting out and want that power but still want to avoid code, what are the best entry points?
If you're looking for sheer simplicity,